So, I was casually scrolling and saw a Rolex watch looking richer than my entire life savings. And I thought, why not build a luxury landing page so clean with CSS animations? Even Rolex might accidentally love me? In this video, we're turning HTML and CSS into something that looks expensive. Even if your code editor is running on a 2012 laptop. Let's Rolex and roll. Also, we will avoid JavaScript today like we avoid our problems. For anyone wondering, no, it's not responsive, it's just a quick fun project with product card animation. Time to structure this Rolex Watch product card with it. So we have a link to remix icons here that we will use today. No JavaScript here, we're focusing on multiple product card animations using only CSS keyframes. In CSS, we're using Lotto and Poppins, some green shades, one black, and a single Rolex watch image we will use today. Now let's start writing HTML where we've got a doc container that centers everything on the screen. Inside that, we have a box, which is the main product card. The product img holds the actual image of the random Rolex watch. Wait, was it images or image folder where our watch image resides? Let me see to make sure. Image/watch guys. The product video includes a little call to action like watch a demo with a play video icon. Then there's the product disc where all the magic words live, title, tagline, and a small paragraph describing the watch. Below that, we have a view all specifications section with a cool hover effect. And finally, we've got two buttons, wishlist and buy for interaction. By the way, don't forget to tap the subscribe button, it motivates me to make new content while also giving away free code of my videos. It's free to subscribe anyways. Seems like we are done structuring this product card, so let's add some CSS animations. Now let's talk about the CSS. This is where all the style and animations come to life. We're using only two fonts here, Lotto and Poppins, and the entire color palette is made of different shades of green with one black tone, giving it that premium Rolex vibe. Our main box opens up with a smooth animation called Open Box, giving us that cinematic entrance effect. The image of the watch gently fades in and starts to float using two animations, Fade img and Jump. Subtle but adds a luxury feel. The video call to action slides upward with up video and the description content fades in with fade content. The two buttons wishlist and buy are animated separately with fade wish and fade buy, and they also have hover effects. For example, the buy button scales up slightly and glows on hover. Everything here will be powered purely by CSS, no JavaScript needed. From layout to micro interactions, it's all about smooth transitions, subtle movements, and high-end presentation. So that's how we created a sleek, animated product card using only HTML and CSS only. If you're into clean, premium web designs like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have been dealing with my dead humor for 13 minutes straight then,